800 Canary. It is next to the water retention basin. Has a great big driveway, 3-car garage. The home has been painted inside. It is scheduled to be painted outside and was actually supposed to happen today, but it is raining today. And then the carpets are being replaced. So there's still some items in the home, but those things are being taken care of. Flower bed. Cute little porch. Sorry, tile on the entryway. Carpet, again, will not be the same carpet when it's listed. But when we walk in, we've got dining room. And it goes into the living room. Nice big living room, nice open floor plan, gas fireplace. Sorry. Bar. It does have granite tile countertops. All appliances can be included. Corner pantry. This is the 4th room, not technically a bedroom because it does not have a closet, but it is the size of a bedroom. Laminate flooring in this room, French doors, which if someone was using it as a bedroom probably would want to be changed. Office or den, probably okay. I didn't pan this way when we walked in, but instead of like a typical closet, there's like a walk-in closet here for additional storage, which is really nice. Down the hallway, we have laundry room with cabinets. And then on this side, it has the sink and upper and lower cabinets. We can go out to the garage. Oh, homeowner is here, but I'm going to try not to get them in my video. Epoxy coated floors, water softener system with your water heater and furnace. 3-car garage with extra space on either side of the opening doors. Gives lots of room for extra shelving, like what's over here. And then, I'm gonna back it up. In this section is the pull-through garage door. So you can pull a car completely through. Oops, wrong way, sorry. Perfect. And then back into the house. Guest bathroom has linoleum flooring, vanity. It is a step-in shower. Room number 2, ceiling fan, recessed lighting. There is a closet, just standard closet. Room number 3, they've started pulling carpeting out, but same idea. Closet, ceiling fan, recessed lighting. These are good sized rooms. And then we get to the primary bedroom. Nice big room, ceiling fan, recessed lighting, accent windows, a slider out to the back, primary bathroom, step-in shower along with a soaking tub, dual sinks, just kind of corner shaped, water closet, and then walk-in closet. This is a good sized walk-in closet. We'll go back through the house and I'll step out into the backyard. This does sit on a 1/4 acre. So it gets set back from the front quite a bit, which is nice. And then you've also got decent space in the backyard. Step down. Lots of space over here. Lots of space down the side yard. It has rain gutters. Again, exterior paint is coming. We've got additionally poured concrete, which is nice, all along the side. Fire pit. No shade structure. I know I just stepped under that gazebo. That's kind of a temporary option, but I would love to see a patio built. It does back up to cottonwood, which we've talked about. A lot of additional space. And then into the garage where that pull-through garage door is. So this is 800 Canary.